Division uniform holding.
Oh, look at all of them, even way the fuck out there.
Air attack, Tango Train. Holding uniform. Yeah, just be heads up to the south of you on that little knob. The little patch of timber there. It's making its way about halfway through that now, so be heads up. Copy, thank you. Yeah, this thing's got some legs right now.
That is fucking rocking.
Or Tango training air attack, go ahead. Copy.
Yeah, I know, I can feel it through the window.
You guys might call Grant and let him know that stuff's coming around this corner here. He's right in the middle right there.
Division, Tango, or Tango training air attack.
Good.
Air ground primary.
Or you may ask Task Force if he has eyes in there.
Yeah, you call.
Okay. Task Force.
Yeah, I was just listening in on your conversation with Transport Team. Hey, I was just wondering what we have currently.
Do you have eyes in that little valley right there where that single tree is?
Yeah, pretty good eyes on all this whole side, but due to the smoke, it's a little tough to see right now. On the western side of this.
Can you see where Branch is?
Negative.
Yeah, I can see where his ATV is. You're talking west of NoHo there?
May want to boogie out of there.
Drop point 41 is?
It's called the Vision.
Right there, you're talking down lower, kind of
seems to be coming
the bottom there.
On that spot. You can probably see it, but
okay, so at the end of the dozer line as it comes into NoHo, the upper headwaters of NoHo.
Okay.
Yep.
Division, engine 712.
Yeah, we've got 43 Tango and Charlie Lima Mike working in there. We're